हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अभिषेक अग्रवाल है और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऋषिकेश की। 23 को मैं ऋषिकेश में रुका था और 24 को मैंने प्लान बनाया कि थोड़ा घूमा जाए ऋषिकेश में। तो सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट करके राइडिंग गियर वगैरह पहनने के बाद करीबन 8:30 बजे मैं होटल से निकला। सो मेरे होटल से तकरीबन 4 किलोमीटर दूर था ये नीर झरना। सो मैंने बाइक पे जाना प्रेफर किया। सो एक पॉइंट के बाद आप बाइक लेके नहीं जा सकते हो। सो आपको नीचे में बाइक रखने की जगह मिल जाएगी, वहाँ पे आप बाइक रख के वहाँ से आप अपनी पैदल ट्रैकिंग को स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। तो मैंने चढ़ाई शुरू की। बस मेरी एक ही गलती थी कि मैं राइडिंग गियर्स में था और वो बहुत पेनफुल था राइडिंग गियर में।
So we are traveling to the Neer waterfalls and this person helped me. He kept all my belongings with him. I was carrying my helmet and I was carrying my jacket and all that biking stuff. So it was really very humid and hot to climb this route. It is totally a trekking route and I had to go up. So I just submitted my things and belongings to this person. This guy helped me a lot. Thank you. So this is the trekking route to that Neer waterfalls. It's really sweaty. Thankfully, I kept my belongings. So sitting and relaxing for a while, it's so soothing to sit here and just enjoy the waterfalls. Just wish I could reach the water, but I'm not able to. It's really wonderful to sit here and relax. So here we have reached the Neer waterfalls and it's small but the viewpoint is fair enough. So now it's time to go downhill. It's really steep, it's really curvy and it's really fun and danger at the same time. So मज़ा भी आ रहा है, पसीना भी आ रहा है और क्या करें, घूमने आने में यही तो मज़े हैं. We'll go to that side. From here the train goes there and then downwards. Finally got to take some rest and it's so relaxing. Wish I had some food. Yes, there are shops. I will try to get some chips at least. Lovely place. Total fun of nature. You can just enjoy as much as you can. It's really wonderful. Sitting in the middle of jungle and just listening to the sound of falling water. So sitting with another Abhishek, this guy, his name is Abhishek too. Pura naam? Abhishek Singh Rawat. My name is Abhishek Agarwal. Sitting at this viewpoint, the weather and thing is very lovely. The place is very nice.
सो यहाँ वहाँ कुछ पल बैठने के बाद मैं वापस उसी शॉप पे आया जहाँ पे मैंने अपने राइडिंग गियर्स को रखा था, मुकेश जी के पास। उन्हीं के शॉप पे मैंने मैगी ऑर्डर की और इसी दौरान उनसे बातें होने लगी। कुछ और भी लोग थे वहाँ पे, उनसे बातें होने लगी, कुछ फ़ोटो क्लिक्स की मैंने। इन्हीं बातों बातों में मुझे मुकेश जी से ये पता चला कि वहाँ पे एक्चुअली नीर झरने के पास और एक झरना है जो बेसिकली अनएक्सप्लोर्ड है। और मैंने मुकेश जी से पूछा कि क्या आप मेरे को वहाँ पे ले जा सकते हैं। उन्होंने मेरे को हाँ बोल दिया और हम चल पड़े उस ओर।
Going to a unknown waterfall, which this person actually is helping me to reach, and it's somewhere through this stream, and it is uphill. So let's go and enjoy. So going through this unknown path, and it's tiring and just hectic.
वो पूरी जगह ऐसे हजारों कीड़ों से भरी पड़ी थी। ये तो जस्ट एक लीफ है जिसको आप देख रहे हैं इतने कीड़ों के साथ।
So this is a waterfall that is basically unknown by the basic tourists, and this person, Mukesh ji, actually he helped me a lot to explore this place. It came through a rough patch of this unknown trail through the jungle, and unfortunately it is filled with insects, especially those spiky caterpillars, and that is it. But I must say, during the rainy season, as per Mukesh ji, this is a very, very beautiful place to visit. But unfortunately, this place remains undiscovered. So this is the actual waterfall, and there is no specific path. We have came through a dense jungle, not that dense actually, but pretty dense, and the view is lovely, and you can just see the mountains there, back there, and this is Mukesh ji. See, there is no way out. We have got in through the jungle, we have to go out through that only. He was in search of another trail, but unfortunately that's very steep, so he will be going through other way. This is the trail towards down, and we came through that place following that stream. If you can see towards there. sitting and relaxing by the river side, and it's a lot of fun. You can see it's all water everywhere. It's lovely out here. So, there are people rafting out there.